You're 20 times more likely to die from rain in the wilderness than from a predator attack. According to wilderness survival studies, exposure causes far more fatalities than wildlife encounters. Wet clothing increases heat loss by up to 300%, and even mild rain paired with wind can drop core temperature dangerously fast. Hypothermia begins at 95 degrees Fahrenheit body temperature, a level many hikers reach without realizing it. Most victims were within 1 mile of safety, but couldn't recognize early hypothermia symptoms, which impaired judgment by up to 40%. Do you prepare for weather, or only for what you can see?